Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. So today I'm going to be showing you this collapsible ottoman, which was £5 from Pep & Co, the pound shop, and it's in like an ivory colour, I would say, or cream colour. So I'm going to link a video above if you want to check out a review that I did on one from Amazon, which was £12, and I thought that was pretty cheap. That one, you can sit on it. I don't know whether you can sit on this one or not. I mean, that one, a full, like I don't know, I'm just trying to think the weight. I think like 14 stone or something like that person can sit on the other one that I've got. It's been really good, but the kids have been recently bouncing on it quite a bit, and it started to make the material come away from the top. So I bought this anyway for me because the one that I got for Ryan, like I say, it's been really useful and he's enjoyed it. So I would say that the padding on the top feels very sturdy. Like it's wood. Like I don't know whether it's like is it called MDF or what? But filling materials and covering meet the regulations for resistance to cigarettes. So that's what it's looking like. So I've tried to film this a couple of times, so I don't know if I told you that it was only £5. So the one that I got from Amazon was £12, and I'm going to link that one below if you want to check that one out. But I cannot believe, I thought £12 was cheap, but £5 is a bargain, isn't it? So you just open it like that, and then the sides feel really sturdy as well, and then you put that in size, and the size of this, 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres, so it's a good size. And then all you need to do is put the lid on. So the other one, you'll see that the top is slightly different, and it is slightly more padded as well, but this will fit so much in. So there we go, so that's it done. Looks nice, doesn't it? The material looks really nice as well. So like I was saying, I don't know whether I would risk sitting on this one, but it doesn't say that it's a footstool, whereas my other one does say that it is. So I might just put it on the floor and sit on it and see what it's like. So it feels quite sturdy. I would say that with the other one, from experience, it's fine if people sit on it or put their feet on it, but if the kids bounce on it, it is going to wreck the lid. But this feels sturdy like the other one. Like I was saying, the material is not as good as the other one, I wouldn't say, like looking wise. And my other one is darker and it's got dirty easy, so I'm assuming that, you know, with the kids this will get dirty. But if you've not got small kids, or if they start doing other colours in this, then I would definitely recommend it. But like, it feels really good. So I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do have other Pep & Co hauls if you want to check them out as well. Got a really nice throw from there. I will link them above and at the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.